It's Tuesday, July 7th, 2026, and I the post I made last night about my sister talking to this woman, this court reporter. So, in the midst of the conversation, this woman was asking personal information about me from my sister, and my sister told her everything that she could about me. So I don't understand why my sister had to go and get involved and tell people what, or tell her specifically what I do, when I do it, when I do, how I do it, when I'm home, when I'm not home, what I'm, she's tried to figure out. She's asking my sister all this personal information about me, and my sister doesn't say, wait, this is wrong. I shouldn't be telling her this. But my sister goes ahead and volunteers all of this information about me, gives it to this woman who has a history and a long history of doing nefarious things. And now she knows my schedule. She knows when I work. She knows what I do when I'm off. She knows if I'm off. She knows if I'm working. Might, this woman doesn't need to know all of that stuff. Why was she asking? I broke up with this woman 23 years ago. Why is she asking my sister, my family, why is she involving herself in my family about my life? That's none of her business. So to say that I shouldn't be concerned. I should be concerned the fact that this woman got all this information that she didn't need to know about me, where I work, when I'm off, where I live. She knows where I live. She knows uh, too much information. She asked too much information. What was the purpose of finding out what my schedule was? What was the purpose of knowing? So I got a threat to stop posting videos about her or contacting Bucks County to tell them the things that she's doing, the things that they said I never told them. And now I'm telling them what was going on, and now they're not even listening to that. When I called the DA's office yesterday and I left a message for the detectives of Bucks County um, and the district attorney's office. I reported that she is calling and harassing this woman. This court reporter is harassing my family, asking too much information, got too much information. Second off, that's another whole problem right there. That's been a problem. And then when I tell my sister, listen, you need to report her to the authorities and say that she has got too much information. You volunteered too much information. And then she's asking, warning me and telling me I need to stop posting videos. I'm affecting her livelihood. I'm not that I'm afraid, but this woman has a history of coming at me, and now she knows way too much. So the fact that she's connected legally, plus her family, Trenton, Sola family, businesses, ties to the Italy and Palermo. Um, you know, if this is affecting her, maybe she should have just come and called 911 instead of hiding a traumatic brain injury from about my son. Maybe he shouldn't have been laid lifeless on the floor and just had choice of work or his life. And until he gets an MRI and knows his status, which he's legally allowed to have, that's it.